Dear viewers, welcome to my channel An Easy Step to English Grammar. And my tonight's topic of discussion is how to prepare hand sanitizer. And you know that during the COVID time, hand sanitizer and masks were the two most essential commodities. And tonight I am going to discuss how to prepare hand sanitizer. What are the ingredients? Ingredients are 2 or 3 rubbing or isopropyl alcohol, 2 tablespoonful of aloe vera gel, okay, then hydrogen peroxide and a few drops of essential oil to add fragrance to the solution. These are the ingredients. And you know that any flowchart or any preparation should be written in passive voice and present indefinite tense. By using present indefinite tense and passive voice. Now, what should be the introductory sentence? You should write just hand sanitizer is one of the most essential things that can kill germs, bacteria or virus in the palms of the hands. So, it can be used before taking food or it can be used whenever you feel it necessary. However, first of all, 2 or 3 rubbing or isopropyl alcohol, 2 or 3 teaspoonful or tablespoonful of isopropyl alcohol is taken in a glass container. Is taken. You see that you will have to use the present form of the verb, be verb, am is are, according to the subject, and the finite verb must be the past participle form. Okay. So, first of all, 2 or 3 teaspoonful or tablespoonful of rubbing or isopropyl alcohol is taken in a glass container. Next, 2 or 3 tablespoonful of aloe vera gel is poured, P-O-U-R-E-D, is poured in the same container and the mixture is stirred well, S-T-I-R-R-E-D, is stirred well with a teaspoon to make it smooth, to make it a gel. Clear? Now use after this, the proportionate quantity of distilled water and hydrogen peroxide are added to the same container, that is the same solution. I am repeating again. Then the proportionate quantity of distilled water and hydrogen peroxide are taken or added to the solution in the same container. Then the solution is stirred well again, S-T-I-R-R-E-D. Then the solution is stirred well again. And Finally, a few drops of essential oil or fragrance is added to the solution to have the fragrance, because it is to be used on the palms of the hand. Clear? Now the preparation is complete. That is, the preparation of hand sanitizer is complete. It can be bottled and it can be labeled for market too. Clear? So you have used the present indefinite tense. You have used some linkers like first of all, next, after this, then, finally, etc. And the preparation is complete. Thank you very much. Good night. Stay safe, stay mellow, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, please. Thanking all of you. Good night.